Hello friends and welcome to new episode of Spiritual EHS series. In this episode, I will make you understand the very simple, economic, artificial intelligence based tool which is used to drive safe behavior at workplace, especially PPE. And remember, 12% of workplace accidents happen because of non-usage of PPE or improper wearing of PPE. In this video, we will understand which behavior reinforcement formula is used to ensure safe behavior in this technology. What are the steps to implement this change? What is the architecture of this technology? How this system works? And what is the cost of implementing this change so that you can make a robust business case and present it to your management and convince them to implement this system at your workplace. This system is very similar to the CCTV camera installed on traffic junction or expressway used to control the road safety behavior of individuals. And I have personally seen the impact of each challans in controlling the reckless driving behavior once the challans are issued. This is based on NIC principle of behavior change, that is negative, immediate and certain, where people follow certain set of rules or procedures because of fear, which ensures minimum compliance out of fear. Now let us see the sequential step which is used to implement this change, and this is based out of my implementation experience. Step number 1. Identify the target behavior you want to improve. It can be shop-specific PPE like safety goggles, gloves or helmet, or task-based PPE like use of safety harness or arc flash suit. Or you can use it for simple head count calculation at emergency assembly point. Ensure that CCTV is installed in that area and there is sufficient lighting to capture the image. Share us a 5-minute video clip and we will give you a free demo run how this system is capturing the safe acts and unsafe acts of that particular area. If you like the demo, you can contact us and we can discuss on future course of action. Now let's see the architecture of the system. CCTV camera takes feeds at different time frequency and then this feed is passed on to the server. The server is already equipped with vision analytical software. Server then processes the image and sends notification to the area in charge or to other users based on the configuration. Company administrator or safety professional can make use of web analytics or dashboard to make required interventions and can make required interventions to remove the barriers. Now let's see what is the cost of driving this change. There are 4 components of the cost. The first is CCTV. If CCTV is already installed in that area, then the cost is 0, or if not, then the standard market cost applies. Second is the server cost, and the server cost varies on camera configuration and ranges from 2 to 3 lakhs rupees. Third is the implementation cost, which range from 1.5 lakh to 3 lakh based on the complexity involved on requirement of user. Fourth is the travel cost, which is the actual cost based on the site location. I hope you understood how this system works and what could be the possible benefits after implementing this. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing and learn safety my way.